Libraria helps you translate your software in a few clicks. Let's find out how to start working with translations. Make a new term and fill in all required fields, such as term key, tags, description, and translations. Select language and fill in the text. Then click 3 points to see available actions. You can edit key, tags, descriptions, and translations. To import and export files, you need to select language, base placeholder, and named placeholder. Then choose the file and click Import. Also, you can generate translation with the generated ChatGPT assistant. All you need is to empty one of the translations, click Import, select languages, placeholders, files, and turn on the Override option. To export terms, click Files, Import and Export. Select language and placeholders. Export is possible for several file formats, such as JSON files, XML files, strings files. Go global faster with Libraria.